everyone. Namaste. I am Dr. Kanta Mukherjee, a dentist with 52 years of experience in practice, which includes working in army during 1971 war with Pakistan and treating battle injuries of face and jaws. Also working with patients who lost parts of their face with burns, working in cancer department, and a number of years in private practice in Mumbai. Welcome to Let Us Talk. We are going to discuss problems of teeth faced by senior citizens. Problems of teeth in early childhood, adulthood, and old age are very different. We are going to concentrate on senior citizens today. Smile is a very important aspect of life. If we smile, everyone around us becomes happy. हमारा खून बढ़ जाता है. So to keep smiling, we have to keep our teeth and mouth healthy. Our mouth includes teeth, gums, tongue, lips, and cheeks, and these parts are used maximum by us. We talk whole day with our mouth and chew our food, which gives us nourishment. Now let us discuss the problems of teeth faced by 50 plus. In advanced stage, we often face dryness of mouth due to various reasons. It is important to keep our body well hydrated by frequent sips of water. Next problem is plaque deposit on teeth. Plaque is a sticky white film on teeth, full of bacteria, which gives rise to cavities and gum problems. Once a cavity is always a cavity. It has to be filled. Dryness of mouth also encourages plaque formation. Another problem 50 plus face is spaces between teeth. Our jaws are like a grinding machine. चक्की चलते चलते घिस जाती है, and we get spaces between teeth that cause problem of food lodgement in between teeth, which gives rise to cavities and gum problems. Food should be cleaned using dental floss, interdental brush, toothpick or water pick. Now let us come to gum problems, which are of many types. You may discover that your gums are growing suddenly. It is called hyperplasia of gums. It may be due to some drug that you have started taking recently. It could be most probably an antihypertensive drug for blood pressure. You can consult your physician for a change of drug which will solve the problem. Gum disease can be hereditary also, but it can be avoided by regular brushing of teeth after each meal, flossing of teeth, and massaging the gums. The most common gum problem is pyorrhea. Early stage is called gingivitis, in which your gums become red and puffy and they bleed easily. It begins with plaque deposit on the teeth, and as the disease progresses, the germs eat up the bone support of the teeth, and ultimately the teeth become loose and fall off by themselves. There is also pus discharge from the gums, which causes bad breath. It is called halitosis. Doctors have discovered that people with chronic pus discharge from gums are more prone to heart disease. Another problem faced by senior citizens is sharp teeth, which is caused by lifetime use of teeth, leading to wearing down of teeth. Sharp teeth rub on tongue and cheek and cause mouth cancer. You can go to your dentist and get your teeth rounded up and smoothened so that don't get ulcers in the mouth. Cancer is also caused by regular use of tobacco in the form of cigarettes, pan parag and pan masala. If you notice white patches on cheeks, gums or tongue, or burning of cheeks, gum or tongue, immediately see your dentist. It could be lichen planus or leukoplakia that could become cancerous. It could be treated in early stages. One can lose teeth with gum problem and cavities when they are neglected beyond the stage of conservation. Every tooth lost should be replaced artificially by a bridge or an implant. All the teeth in mouth are in harmony with each other. Once that harmony is disturbed, your chewing machinery does not function properly. Disharmony of jaws can cause pain in jaw joints. Maintenance of teeth is very important for all of us. So let us decide and keep our mouth healthy by regular brushing after each meal, cleaning of our tongue with toothbrush, massaging the gums, rinsing our mouth with warm saline water, use of mouthwash by people having gum infection. Do make an appointment with your dentist once in 6 months. Grandmother's age-old recipe of rinsing the mouth with cold-pressed coconut oil or mustard oil or sesame oil has been tried by me on my patients for the last 40 years and has proved to be a Ramban for all my patients who had cavities and gum problems. Let us all take a pledge today to take care of our smile. हंसते रहो, फूल की तरह खिलते रहो. जय हिंद.